So let's talk about ARV, or after repair value. So what is ARV? ARV is the full retail sales, the price that are set by comparable properties, same to your subject property, similar beds and baths, square footage, year built, and it's the retail price that those properties are selling for in the same subdivision, fully fixed up. New roof, new AC, new windows, kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, everything. Okay, so it's the high retail sales of properties that have already been fixed up, fully rehabbed, that are in the same subdivision. That's your after repair value. So the first thing that you want to do when you're looking at a property that you're either going to wholesale or you're going to do it fix and flip, in order to decide on what price you're going to purchase the property at, you're going to need to figure out what the ARV is, because you need to back into, reverse engineer from after repair value into what price you're going to purchase the property at in its as-is condition. So first of all, you want to make sure that you're pulling properties that are in the same subdivision. That's rule number one. You can't go in other areas. You can't go 1.5 miles away from your property. You can't even go 0.5 mile away if the subject property you're looking at, or the comparable property you're looking at, is in like a private, gated community. Don't get caught saying, oh, there's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath that's sold in this area for $800,000, so that's what my ARV is. Well, no, the properties in that subdivision and that private neighborhood, those ARVs are set at $800,000 if that's the highest price that the 3-bedroom, 2-bath house sells at. So you have to look at your same subdivision. And one of the best things to do is go to the legal description of the property in the property appraiser's office and look to see, because usually the first few words is going to be the subdivision. Okay, if it's College Park is a subdivision in the Fort Lauderdale area. So College Park will be in the legal description of not only the subject property, but when you're looking at other properties, make sure that they are also in College Park. Okay. Then you obviously want to make sure that you're doing apples to apples, same bed, same bathroom count, same square footage, same year built, if possible. If not, then obviously if you have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath and you're looking at 4-bedroom, 2-baths, because there's no other 3-bedroom, 2-baths in the area or in that same subdivision, then you'll have to make allowances for beds, baths, and or square footage. But the idea is to find similar properties as your subject property and look at what they have sold for retail to set that after repair value. So there's some tips on setting your ARV to make sure that you're purchasing your next wholesale or fix and flip property at the right price.